Welcome back, everybody. You're watching the CW Ford 7. It is 7:35. Do you like big trucks? Well, coming up, there's an event for you, and it's going to be in Columbus at the soccer field, right, guys?
That's right.
All right, Frank Stump is you have all kinds of wreckers, and you're gonna bring some big trucks, and we're going to talk about that in a minute. Scott Ferguson is the past president of the board of directors for the United Way of Lowndes County, right? And you're a financial planner. The event is called Little Hands, Big Trucks. And Scott, I'm going to ask you to tell us a little bit about this.
Yes, well, you know, it's just an event to raise funds for the United Way. Every dollar that we raise at the event goes right back into the coffers of the United Way to do good right here in our community in Lowndes County. But it gives kids of all ages the opportunity to get up close and personal with different pieces of equipment. We're going to have tow trucks, we're going to have fire trucks, we're going to have tractors, you name it. Some of those equipment's going to be there, and it's going to give you the chance to get inside it, sit in it, crawl in it, honk the horn, do things that you just can't do every day of the week.
And Frank, you're part of this in that you're bringing a lot of these big trucks, and we were talking about. Did you see the movie, the animated movie? I think it's Pixar, called Cars, and there's a wrecker in it called Mater.
Yes.
Is that right?
That's
and
right.
you're going to bring a lot of these kinds of trucks, right?
Yes, and the kids get to come in and play with them and work the buttons and play with the lights and have a good time.
Yeah. So they get to crawl all over them and go through them and all that. And how much is it to get in?
It's $5 per person to get in. We're going to have a raffle. The folks at Atlas are actually bringing this really cool little Power Wheels Star Wars vehicle that we're going to raffle off. Tickets for it are one ticket for $2 or 3 tickets for $5. And again, all these proceeds are going to go right back to the United Way of Lowndes County. Wanted to bring Frank on here today because he's been a very prominent supporter of the event, always going above and beyond for our event. So we can't thank our vehicle providers, especially the folks like Frank who've been there every year from the beginning.
All right, with about 15 seconds left to go, let's encourage everybody to join you this coming Saturday, right?
That's
From?
Right. From 9 to 12 at the Columbus Soccer Park. Again, $5 to get into the event, $5 per person. And it all goes right back to our community here in Columbus.
All right, fellas, I want to thank you so much for being here this morning. It was very nice to have you. All right, we're going to get a look at what's happening with our weather.